What is up, guys? This is Toby, and today we have a new board setup video for 2020 summer. So let's get right into this. Just straight in. Let's go. I bought this board from Zoomies. It is a Gate Mafia deck, if I remember correctly. Let's pull it out, see what it looks like. Oh, the box says, I don't know if you can read it, but it says "Enjoy yourself" with the little face on it. So it's pretty cool. Hopefully you can hear me okay. It is a little windy, and I'm kind of far away from my phone. Oh yeah. Ooh, I didn't know the top ply looked like this. There we go. Skate Mafia. Here's the grip. I really thought about getting printed grip. That would have been my first time doing so. But I was like, I don't want to spend that much. So I went a cheap way. Just got some grip tape. And to open up this board, it looks so nice. Oh yeah. You guys never did that to a new board? Do it that way. There are a few things more satisfying. Ooh. I love it. The wind is attacking. Good thing about putting a grip cap in this. Just cause like this is so cool looking, I might do that. Go for it. And it's not the straightest cut. Let's grip it. I was never really good at laying grip. I haven't gripped that many boards though. I've only gripped like 3. Right down the middle. On there and just push out all the air bubbles. And once you guys are all gripped up nicely, you take something metal. I'm using an old truck because I just found it in my room, and sand down the edges. Fold this up onto this little crease, and that will also make it so much easier. A little slit right here. I made a little oopsie right here. I'm going to stop this and pick it back up whenever I get this part cut off. Finish gripping it. There's some really ugly parts, but it's okay. Now you want to take some old grip tape, hold it, and sand down the edges really good. Careful, it might get really hot. I forgot about that part. Trucks wheels on. I'm just gonna cut it here tonight, so you guys don't have to go through the torture of watching that, because it's really boring. Okay, so I'm putting this part in here because I feel like it's important. But whenever you poke holes through the grip tape, put your razor blade in there and give it a little bit of a twist, just like this. Anything that's in there, just bring it around and dig it out, just to open it up some more. Keep your bolts in there deeper. Okay, so it got all dark out here, so we're gonna go inside and finish this. Alright, I just have finished setting it up, but it's missing one more thing. Ah, yes, there we go. Just like that, we're done. Alright, so I'm up here at one of these new places that I've been skating recently. and we're gonna try to do every trick that we know how to. Okay, I said I'd do everyone, but I didn't, because my allergies are really kicking in right now. And this gimbal's got like a mind of its own. Yeah, I feel like I gotta sneeze really bad. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. Also, I'm putting this in the end because only the people who actually watch the videos can see it. But thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. This board, we're gonna make this setup the 1,000 subscribers special. I have something even specialer coming, so stay tuned for that, please. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you all on Topia Island. Don't forget to stay awesome. Peace. Forgot to mention, but also for 1,000 subscribers, I will be trying to commit to an upload schedule of every single Thursday. So on Thursdays you can expect a new video. I might sprinkle in some random videos here and there, but it's gonna be mostly Thursday. It gives me a week to edit because the editing process is really slow. Because I have other things that I need to do, like work and stuff, and sometimes filming videos can take up to 3 days. But yes, that would be the new upload schedule. So thank you for watching.